Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 14th of June 2023. Last week we went short Brent crude oil and we did so at $76.70. And when I show you the daily chart here, you can see that we did that on last Wednesday and had a downside target at $72, which got hit. So that's a very nice profitable trade. Short at $76.70 and then out at $72, just above the May low here, and that trade is now cashed in. And a couple of weeks ago we went short wheat in the direction of the trend, that is to say Chicago wheat, and we got stopped out on that trade just above the late May high at $6.31. But I'd like to go short once more at around current levels at $6.40 with a stop loss at $6.72, just above the May high, and a downside target of $5.10. So today's Trading the Trend is to go short Chicago wheat at $6.40 with a stop loss at $6.72 and a downside target at $5.10.